Hello, today we will guide you through how to toggle between real and nominal currency in ProjectionLab. To get started, open the ProjectionLab web app in your browser. Once the app loads, you'll see options to create or explore a plan. For this walkthrough, select the sample plan. The sample plan is a safe, pre-built environment that lets you experiment with features without affecting any of your own data or assumptions, which makes it perfect for learning how display settings work. With the sample plan open, look for the display option in the interface. This control manages how values are presented across charts and summaries. Click it to reveal the relevant settings. Here, you'll find an inflation section with a drop-down menu. This drop-down is where you choose how currency values are expressed throughout the plan. Open the inflation drop-down and select 2013 currency. This choice switches the plan's visuals to a real, inflation-adjusted view anchored to the purchasing power of 2013. In other words, all future and past amounts are translated into what they would be worth in that base year. This is useful when you want to compare numbers on an equal footing and understand true purchasing power over time. After selecting 2013 currency, take a moment to glance at a few charts or tables. You should notice that large future balances and spending projections look more modest because they are adjusted to remove the effect of inflation and reflect constant dollars. If you want to return to a nominal or actual dollar view, open the display option again. Navigate back to the same inflation dropdown. This time, choose actual currency. This setting shows values in the dollars of each year as they occur without adjusting for inflation. It's helpful for understanding the literal amounts you might see in accounts or transactions over time, even though nominal figures can make distant future numbers look dramatically larger. As you toggle between these two views, keep in mind that you are not changing your plan's assumptions, cash flows, or calculations. You are only changing how the results are displayed. Real currency is best for apples-to-apples comparisons across years, while actual currency is best for seeing nominal amounts as they would appear at the time. For consistent analysis, pick one view when comparing scenarios so you're evaluating them on the same basis. That's it. You've learned how to switch between real and nominal currency in ProjectionLab using the display option and the inflation dropdown. Feel free to explore the sample plan further and use this toggle whenever you need clearer insight into your projections.